Let's see how we can do login using Firebase. So in our auth controller, in the sign up function, you see this warning right here. We can hide this warning. Simply hover over this and click on quick fix, and say ignore for this file, and the warning will be gone. So just like the sign up, we will create another function, call it login, and we will need async and await just like before. And just like before, I can say firebase auth dot instance dot sign in with email and password, and it will ask for email and password like this. So just like the sign up, we will receive the email and password. So I can simply copy this code from the sign up function and paste it to login. Our password field name is pass. And just like before, we will use a try catch block. So if something goes wrong, when the user is logging in, we can show a proper error. If I write try, you see it shows in the suggestion. And if I click on the second one, this one, it will write the try catch block by itself. I don't have to write it manually. Okay, inside this try, we will put this code, and inside the catch, I can simply copy this code right here, which says something went wrong. Let's try again. So, okay, after the user is successfully logged in, we want to show that login successful. And then we want to take them to our landing page. So let me copy it from the sign up function and paste it to the login function. Inside this try block, we want to take them to the landing page. Let me explain everything that I have just did, so you may be confused. Just like the sign up function, inside the login function, we will receive the email and password that user will type in the front end. And we will also need to pass the context, because the context is needed to go to another page, which is this code right here. We will need the context. So we will receive the context here as well. Now inside the try block, we will try to log in with the email and password. If it is successful, we will say login successful, and then take the user to the landing page. If something goes wrong, we will simply say something went wrong, please try again. Okay, our function is created. Now let us go to the login screen, and just like the sign up screen, we will create two controllers for these two fields. So let us go on to the top right here and create two text editing controller. One controller that we need is the email controller, and we will need another controller which is called pass controller, and we will assign these controllers to the fields. So to the email field, I will assign the email controller field, and to the password, I will assign the pass controller like this. Okay, so when the user clicks on the login button, we don't want to take them to the landing page. We want to hit our function, the login function that we have just created in auth controller. Auth controller login, it is asking for email password. So we have the data in email controller.text, and the password will be in passcontroller.text. Put semicolon at the end. So when the function hits, if everything is okay, it will take them to the landing page. Let us try. We already have created a new user in the sign up tutorial, which was c@c.com, but I don't really remember the password. So maybe we will create a new account. So click on register button and go to the sign up page. This time, maybe salehin@gmail.com. And the password should be maybe 45678. Now click on the sign up button. It says account created successfully. Please log in. I will use that same email. Password was this. Now click on this login button. It says login successful and takes us to the landing page. Now, if I restart the project, it will take me to the login page. And remember, I told you that you can filter and say, if the user types less than 6 characters in the password field, you can show an error that your password should be more than 6. You need this especially in the register page, the sign up page, because when the user is creating an account, he may type less than 6 characters. In the sign up screen, when the user clicks on this sign up button, before you hit this sign up function, you want to check whether the user typed the correct characters or correct length. We can also do this inside this sign up function, by the way. So right in this function, I can write it, or right here before I hit this function, I can check if passcontroller.text.length is less than 6. I can show a message. We already know how to show message. I will simply copy it and paste it right here. Import this Flutter Toast package. Now I can show an error saying password should be more than 6 characters. And then I don't, if this is true, meaning if the password length is less than 6, in that case, I don't want to run this function. So what I can do, inside this if block, I can just return like this. So when I use return, it won't go to the code below. Okay. Okay, so now let us try. I will just type 2 characters and I click on sign up. It says password should be more than 6 characters.